Okay, so question 20a was as follows. In the diagram below, AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 13 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to angle ACD, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now the question is calculate the value of the tangent DAC. Okay, the tangent DAC. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to identify that angle we want to find the tangent for. So the angle we're talking about is this angle, which is DAC. So the one which is marked by red X there is the angle we want to find the tangent for. Okay, so now let's go to the formula of tangent. So we can write, okay, tangent. Then I do not have theta, so I'm going to be skipping theta, but it should be tangent theta is equal to then opposite side over adjacent side. Okay, that is the formula for finding the tangent, okay, of the theta. Okay, so now when you look at this question, you identify that the opposite of x is this angle, is this side. The side which is opposite to the angle x is this one, the one I've marked W in purple. That is the opposite. Okay, then the adjacent side of this angle x is this one which I've marked y. Now when you look at these sides are not given, these sides are not given. Okay, that is where the question gets complicated, because those two sides which we are supposed to use to find the tangent of x, they are not given. So what are we going to do? So what we're going to do is we're going to find first the side, those sides. Now when you look at this question, you can see that when we try to go direct to find the value of y and w, it will be very difficult for us, because in this triangle, which is triangle ADC or ACD, in this triangle only one side is given, so it will be very difficult for us to find the two sides when it's only one side given. So we need to find a way in which we can find the other side so that it can be two sides. So we are going to start with y. When you look at these are two light angled triangles. So when you look at angle ABC, two sides are given, but one side is not given, and that side is y. So we're going to start first by finding the value of y, because this side which is y, it is in both the triangles. So it is in triangle ABC as well as ACD. So you can find the side marked y. Okay, so what are we going to do to find the value of y? We're going to use the formula of Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay, then we're going to put the values of a and b in the expression. So we have got c squared, then we're going to find the value of a, which is 4 squared plus 3 squared. Okay, so these I have left the units, but you can still include the units like that. Then what we're going to do is now we're going to find the square of 4 and 3. So the square of 4 centimeter is 16 centimeter squared plus 9 centimeter squared, and 9 is the square of 3. Okay, once we've done this, then what we're going to do next is just to add these numbers. So we're going to write c, then 16 plus 9 will give us 25, and it will be 25 centimeter squared. Okay, so it's going to be 25 centimeter squared. Then what we're going to do is we're going to find the square root of these. Okay, once we've found the answer, then what we're going to do is we're going to find the square root of c and 25 centimeter squared. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do like that. Then we're going to say what is the square root of c squared? It's going to be c. then what is the square root of 25 centimeter squared is 5 centimeter. Okay, it's going to be 5 centimeter. So the value of y in that diagram, now let's go to the diagram. The value of y in that diagram is 5 centimeter. Okay, so I've even removed y and I've put 5 centimeter. That is the size of the length AC. The size of the length AC is 5 centimeter. Okay, then now let's try to find the answer. Now, as you can see, the opposite side is also not known, W, so we need to find also W. Now, to find W, we're going to use the same method, which is Pythagoras theorem. So we're going to use Pythagoras theorem. So what we're going to do now here, we are going to write again this formula. This is the one we're going to use. C squared is equal to A plus B. Now, when we talk about C, this is the hypotenuse, okay? So the hypotenuse of this triangle, which is the triangle ACD, the hypotenuse of triangle ACD is 13 centimeter. That line is the hypotenuse. It's the longest, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to write, so where there is C squared, we're going to put 13 squared, which will be equal to 5 centimeter squared, then plus B squared, okay? Once we've done that, then we're going to find the square of 13 and 5 centimeter. So the square of 13 is 169 centimeter squared, and which will be equal to, the square of 5 is 25 centimeter squared, then plus B squared. Okay, once we've done that, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put like terms together. Okay, we're going to put like terms together. So I'm going to write 169, then the 25 centimeter squared will cross the equal sign and become minus. So it's going to be 169 centimeter squared minus 25 centimeter squared, which will be equal to B squared. Okay, once we do that, then we're going to write that. So we say 169 minus 25 is going to give us 44 centimeter squared, which will be equal to B squared. Okay, once we do that, then we are going to now find the square root of 144 centimeter squared and B squared. So we're going to put the square root signs there. Okay, once we've done that, then we're going to find the square root of 144 centimeter squared, which is going to be, the square root will be 12 centimeter, and the square root of B squared is B. Okay, so that means the value of B is 12 centimeter, and remember, we are trying to find the length of the side, which is CD, and that is marked by W. So the value of W is 12 centimeter. So we're going to put 12 centimeter there. Okay, once we have done that, now we have managed to solve to find the sides of this, the two missing sides of this triangle, which is ACD. Okay, now we can now go back to our original question, which is the tangent of DAC, angle DAC. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to find the tangent of that. Now we said the formula for the formula to use to find the tangent is tangent theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, so the opposite side, the one that is facing angle X, is the side which is 12 centimeter. So the opposite side is 12 centimeter. So we're going to write equal to, okay, which is equal to, okay, then we're going to say 12 centimeter. Okay, we are going to forget about units. Then we're going to say 12 divided by 5. Okay, now that is also the tangent of angle X there, but you can also go further and simplify this. So the answer can be 12 over 5, or it can also be 2 over 5. 2 over 5. Okay, Then it can also be 2.4. Okay, it can also be 2.4. So these three answers, these three options I've given, they can all be accepted, but it depends with the instruction that accompanies the question. But like this, 12 over 5 can be accepted, like the way the question came. 12 over 5 can be accepted, or 2 over 5 can also be accepted. So give you an answer as a mixed fraction, or you can also give it as a decimal number, which is 2.4. Okay, now let's go to question 20b.